Hi Ringa, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You spoke with Natalie the other day about getting this video sent over to you. The reason we are sending this video is because we were looking for laser hair removal med spas in the Bakersfield area, and we noticed that there were some keywords that you weren't being found for. So this is pretty much to help you bring in new clients. So the two things I want to talk to you about are content and backlinks. So content is really just the words and photos on your website. So all this right here is content. Any photos you have is content. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. And of course, they don't actually see the photos on your page. They're going to read what's behind them. So you want to make sure your photos are saved as keywords that you want to be found for. Taking a look at the top competitor in the area, we have Euphoria. We see that they have probably about 500 to 600 words on their homepage, so it's very beatable. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we go search for Laser Hair Removal Bakersfield, the first thing we're going to see here is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. A backlink is how you are going to rank here in the organic section, and a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another site. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in Euphoria, we see that they have 110 referring domains or other websites, giving them 515 backlinks. We see they have they're being found for about 3,500 keywords, and they have a couple thousand visitors to their site every month. So when we plug your website in here, we see that you have 13 referring domains, giving you 16 backlinks. You're being found for 122 keywords, and you have about 20 visitors a month. When it comes to backlinks, I will say that not all links are created equal. There are spammy backlinks and there are trustworthy backlinks. So the UR and the DR represent the strength and the trust of the website. We see that you do have a little strength, not very much, and very little trust with Google. So here's an example. We got 29 and 17. Those are much higher numbers. Double digits are great. So we definitely want to get more powerful, trustworthy links pointing back at your site. Another thing with backlinks is you want to get relative backlinks. So having a med spa in, say, Georgia or Texas linking back to your website is going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows you guys are not in the pizza industry and it is not relevant to your site. So let's take a look at the keywords really quick so you have an idea of search volume and where you sit. So for Cool Sculpting Bakersfield, there's about 100 searches a month. You're actually in the 7th position, so that's not bad. You are on the first page. Just need to make your way up just a little bit. Laser Hair Removal Bakersfield, there's 200 searches for that. You are in the 11th position. That's either the bottom of the first page or the top of the second. Let's see, Laser Hair Removal Bakersfield CA, there's another 60. You're in the 9th. So let's see some other keywords. Let's just use the search bar. So let's search Botox. So Botox Bakersfield, there's 150 searches a month. You're in the 33rd position for that keyword. Let's see, for facials. So facials in Bakersfield, there's 200 searches for that keyword. You're in the 30th position. So as you can see, there's a couple hundred searches a month for each of these keywords, and if you're on the second, third, or fourth page for them, people just simply aren't going to find you. So that's why we're reaching out. We wanted to help you get found for these top keywords so you can essentially grow your business. So just to do a recap for you, definitely get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your home page. Make sure you have lots of content on your service pages. and you want to get relative, trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website, so that way you can start ranking. That is it, Miss Ringa. That is all I have for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.